In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new invoice using Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can easily manage your invoicing tasks. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Books homepage. Here, you will typically find your main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your financial activities. This is the hub from which you'll access the rest of Zoho Books features. Now, to begin working on your invoices, you need to locate and click on the Invoices section. This section is specifically dedicated to creating and managing all your invoicing needs. By clicking on this tab, you'll be led to a page where you can view existing invoices and create new ones. Once you're on the Invoices page, look for the New button. This button is your gateway to creating a fresh invoice. Click on it and you'll open the invoice creation form where all the magic happens. On this form, the first thing you need is to choose a customer for your invoice. Zoho Books allows you to select from a list of existing customers or add a new customer to your database, ensuring accurate billing information. After selecting your customer, it's important to choose an invoice date. The invoice date is when the invoice is issued and is crucial for record keeping and payment tracking. It's best to ensure your invoice date reflects when the service was provided or when the goods were delivered. Once you've set the date, direct your attention to the item table, which is the core part of your invoice. Here, you'll list the products or services you're billing for. Within the item table, select the item or items you're invoicing. Zoho Books may already have a catalog of items you've entered previously, which simplifies this process significantly. If not, you'll need to enter the details for the item, including the description and the price. Zoho allows for detailed customization, so make sure each line item accurately reflects what you're billing your client for. With your items listed, the next step is to select the appropriate tax. Taxes can vary widely depending on the goods or services and the jurisdiction you're working within, so that it's essential to select the correct tax. For example, in this guide, we're using a VAT rate of 12 font. Be sure to apply the tax so the system calculates it accurately on the invoice total. Finally, after reviewing all entered information for accuracy, click on Save and Send. This step will finalize your invoice and prepare it to be sent directly to your customer, streamlining your administration processes. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully created and sent an invoice using Zoho Books. By mastering this process, you'll find managing invoices has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing with Zoho.